A BMJ Global Health report states that over 1 billion youngsters may experience hearing loss. The published data blame it on the excessive use of headphones, earbuds, and other devices. Attending loud gatherings and musical events also affects hearing capacity adversely. According to WHO global estimates, over 430 million people currently have disabling hearing loss. Youngsters listen to music at volumes as high as 105 decibels. The average sound levels at entertainment venues are also as high as 112 decibels. Sound levels that are consistently higher than 75 or 80 decibels can permanently damage the ear. Teenagers and young adults, in the age group 12 to 34, were included in this study. In summary, governments and organizations need to promote global hearing loss prevention and support safe listening practices.